Hi, this is Terry Coatney, Coldwell Banker Realtor here in Vienna, West Virginia. Also, I'm licensed in Ohio. If you like these videos that I put out, hit that like button and subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later. Let's talk about deck maintenance. You probably had a deck and maybe you did all the maintenance on it this spring and this summer. But if you haven't, it now would be a time to get some of this maintenance done on the deck. And it's very important that we maintain our decks because they're expensive, as you know. So first of all, let's talk about there's two different aspects to deck maintenance, and one is cleaning the deck, and the second one is staining and sealing. So this particular fall, one of the things that you want to do is get all the leaves that are off your deck. At least do that and get that off because they can get water on them and they can stain the deck, and this is just not good for that. So clear off the deck. Now, if you have to clean the deck, the one thing that people do is they use a power washer, and that's really hard on the deck. So uh, I would recommend that you get a bottle of deck cleaner and follow the instructions on it, where you use a brush and you water and so forth. And then after you've done that process, you let it dry for 2 days. And then you begin a staining and sealing process. And stain and seal cost about $30 for a gallon, and it covers about 250 square feet. And again, it's a 2-day process. So it's important that you have a window of opportunity to do that where weather will cooperate. One of the things why people like to do it now or in the spring is because of the mild temperatures. So if you have any more questions about cleaning and staining your deck, just give me a call and I can review some of the things and share some of the articles that I found about this subject with you. I hope you're having a great day and enjoying this wonderful fall weather we're having in the Mid-Ohio Valley. Have a great day and talk to you soon.